Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Spec Sense. Let's take a look at decorative light bulbs. These are commonly used in chandeliers, wall sconces, and in other specialty fixtures. Blunt tip type B look like bullets. Type C resemble a candle flame, and globe type G are spheres. These shapes are the most common, but you may find special shapes in some fixtures. All light bulbs have a code which describes the shape, size, and base type. Now, this code can be determined by a few measurements. The first part of the code is the bulb shape. For the bulb size, measure the diameter in inches, then multiply that number by 8. Now measure the base in millimeters. This gives us a B10 bulb with an E12 candelabra base. Now, if you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can always call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.